Okay, so this is our walking pad here at work. As you can see, we have been using it quite a bit. You can make it go faster. We have a little remote control. And you can make it go faster or slower. And you can stop it too, and it'll go stop. Has the LED display there. There is an app you can also upload if you want, but my coworker and I are just using the display. So I have a standing desk. She is not here, but she uses it too. So we just move it back and forth from our desk. It works really well. We both really like it. We've been using it a lot, especially since it's getting colder here. And again, you just turn it on. And we really, really do enjoy it. And it's helping us a lot keep going and keeping exercising. And it's not hard to use, and it's not hard to concentrate. I thought it would be hard to concentrate using it and working, but it really is not. And I highly recommend it. And a lot of our other coworkers are very jealous that we have it. Great item.
It's a really nice little setup. You can see that it's running smoothly. I just have my stand-up desk there that I got on Amazon. Really nice. It's the desk is electric and goes up and down. I'll hide that wire eventually, but yeah, this is a perfect little setup. It's right by the bed, hidden kind of there by the door. That was the box it came in. I'm 5'4" and about 130 pounds. I'd say the treadmill was about 45 pounds or so, and I got it up 3 flights of stairs by myself. It was very heavy. I don't recommend it, but it can happen.